Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a new and interesting session in mathematics. Can you measure the height of your school building without climbing it? No, it's not possible. Can you measure the height of building or tower from the ground? Let's see how it's possible. Today, we are going to learn a branch of mathematics that makes this possible. It is trigonometry. Trigonometry is the study of relationship between the sides and angles of a right-angled triangle. Now look here, this right triangle has altitude, base and hypotenuse. To find height, distance and angles, we use three basic trigonometric ratios, sine, cosine and tangent as common. Sine, cosine and tangent are mathematical tools that helps us find an unknown side or angle theta of a right angle triangle when we know some other measurements. Theta means angle. Sin theta helps find the height when the hypotenuse is known. The equation of sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos theta helps find the horizontal distance when the hypotenuse is known. So the equation of cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Next one is tan theta. Tan theta helps find the height or distance when other side is known. Equation of tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. We have already studied in 9th class if the angles of a right triangle is 30, 60 and 90 degree, then the sides ratio is 1:√3:2. If I want to find the value of sin 30, what I have to do? Here we know that sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse and theta is equal to 30 degree. Opposite side of 30 degree is equal to 1 and hypotenuse is equal to 2. So sin 30 is equal to opposite side is 1 by hypotenuse is 2, 1 by 2. Value of sin 30 is 1 by 2. As like this, how to find the value of cos 30? Here, cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Theta is equal to 30 degree, adjacent side is equal to √3, hypotenuse is equal to 2. So cos 30 is equal to √3 by 2. So the value is √3 by 2. As like this, how to find the value of tan 30? Here, tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Theta is equal to 30 degree, opposite side is equal to 1 and adjacent side is equal to √3. Therefore, tan 30 is equal to 1 by √3. The value of tan 30 is 1 by √3. This table shows the values of the trigonometric functions. You should memorize these values as they are very important for solving trigonometry problems. My question is, Minnal Murali is standing at the top of the church tower. A person on the ground looks at him and the angle of elevation is 60 degree. If the person is 30 meter away from the base of the tower, how can they find the height of tower? Now you heard a new word, angle of elevation. Angle of elevation is the angle between the horizontal line and the line of sight when we look upward at an object. If we want to use these trigonometric ratios to find the height of tower, we must create right angle triangle. A person is standing 30 meter away from church tower and look upward at 60 degree angle. So we can draw right triangle like this. Consider right triangle ABC. AB is church tower, angle C is equal to 60 degree, adjacent side BC is equal to 30 meter. We want to find height of tower. Here we can use trigonometric function tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here angle theta is equal to 60 degree. Tan 60 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So opposite side is equal to tan 60 into adjacent side. The value of tan 60 is equal to root 3. Root 3 into adjacent side 30. Root 3 into 30 is equal to 30 root 3. Approximate value of root 3 is equal to 1.732. So 30 into 1.732 is equal to 51.96. Approximate height of the tower is 52 meter. In this way, we can find sides, distance, height with trigonometric functions. Let's summarize the topic what we have studied today. Trigonometry is the study of the relationship between the sides and angles of a right-angled triangle. It helps to find the height of a tree without climbing it. It helps to measure the height of a building or tower from the ground. It helps to calculate the width of a river without crossing it. It helps pilots to determine flight paths and landing angles. It helps sailors to navigate and using directions and angles. It is used in GPS, satellites and surveying to locate places accurately. Mathematics is not just about numbers. It helps us solve real-life problems. Trigonometry is one such tool that allows us to measure what seems impossible to measure. We will explore these existing tools in our next class. Thank you everyone. See you in the next class.